This is HelloApp Studio. Upon launch, we get a quick access menu to jump straight into the action. For now, let's just skip to a new project. Here we can see our working environment and its interface. We can divide it into 4 parts: the top toolbar, the created tooltip sequence on the left, the preview of a particular tooltip on the right, and the customization menu for that tooltip below. Let's first take a look at the toolbar. From here we can, going from left to right, publish the finished project, which we'll cover in more detail in later videos, perform standard file operations such as create, open, or save the file. Then we can perform some operations with the file we're currently working on. We can play the flow of tooltips that we have created to preview how the end product will look. We can merge the tooltip from another project into the current one with the merge button. We can also configure further project settings such as the screen size, or if we want to loop the tooltip flow. We'll look at the audio settings in the later videos. On the right and the last section of the toolbar is the standard Clipboard menu, where you can perform actions such as cut, copy, and paste. Now let's add our very first tooltip. To do so, we go down to the left side where the tooltip sequence area is and click on the plus sign above it. Now we can pick which type of tooltip we want to add. Let's go with the chat balloon. As you can see, it is added to our sequence. Notice how the broom icon became active, as that stands for deleting the entire sequence you currently have and starting over. If we select the tooltip from our sequence menu, we can see it appear in the preview window on the right, and all of the customization settings become available for it. We will examine it in the detail in the next video.